Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP DeskJet 3762. I received a question. Someone asked how to print document from your mobile phone to HP printer wirelessly. So basically how to print wireless print from your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how to do this. There are two ways to print document from your phone to any printer or HP printer or Canon printer. What you need to do is you need to first of all make sure your phone and printer are connected to the same network. Next thing to do is you need to go to, once you've done that, then and also you have the paper loaded, okay, then you go to your file. So go to your files on your mobile phone, select my file. So when you select file, it will show you this is my file. Okay, so you have image, video, audio, track, document, download, okay, and the installation, APK installation. So select documents. Now these are documents downloaded on my phone. I'm going to select this document, open it up. This is the document we have here, okay, it's 2 pages document. So now to print this document out, you need to go on top, see 3 dots. So select the 3 dots. When you select the 3 dots, you scroll down to print, select print, and when you select print, you will see this, okay, but you need to make sure scroll down again. You see the down arrow for you to select the correct printer. The printer showing here is Canon MG 3600 series, but you need to scroll down to select this printer, and when you scroll down, you look for HP DeskJet 3700 series, select on it, okay, and you wait for the printer image to show, and this printer image now is showing. So to print this document, you can also scroll down again, scroll down for you to add how many copies, change the color, and also to print double-sided, okay. If you want to print color, from color to black and white, then you select black and white or color. Like double-sided is not, this printer, I cannot do double-sided here. And also the paper size is A4, orientation is portrait, and all the pages. If you want to print only particular page, then you select ranges, then you type page 1 if you want to print only page 1, or type page 2 if you want to print only page 2, or select all the pages, okay, can select all the pages. Once you've done that, then you click on the print image. Here we go. Now this document is going to print out. It's the first one, very quick. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out from my phone to HP printer, okay, 2 pages. This is the first one and second one. Another way to print the document is go to HP Smart App, and can see the printer is ready. HP DeskJet 3700 series is ready. Now scroll down, go to print documents. It will ask you PDF or photo. Select PDF. Now it's going to take you to, for you to select the document you want to print, okay. So you can select, scroll down and look particular. So this is the document I want to print, okay, and here is 1 and 2. The same document we printed earlier is also what I want to print out. So select print, and now it's processing. Remember, we printed this document colored earlier, so now I want us to print this document black and white. Select black and white, okay, orientation, portrait. You can also select more option. When you select more option, then you select the quality. Can select normal or best quality, or fit to page. Fit to page. If you select fit to page, the document will shrink a little. Select fill page, then you go back. If you are printing photo, then you select photo, then you go back and select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, let's see. We printed it black and white. Okay, and this is the second one, black and white, and this is the one we printed color. So this is how to print your document, okay, wireless with your mobile phone. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So this is how to print wireless with your mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.